Hello everyone, here we are again at Krah TV, and today I like to do an unboxing. This is very famous in several YouTube channels. So I just checked in our sales department if we got a new ordered through our new web shop, krah.shop. And I found someone ordered an E-Box 23 Plus. It was very easy to do it inside the shop. I can show you how you can find the shop. Okay, I was lucky I could stop the dispatch of this E-Box, and I asked our good friend Mike to bring me this E-Box to this little room, and I will do an unpacking so you can see, and of course I can see, what we are going to dispatch. 1 second. This is not too light, I don't know the weight, but we can check the weight. Okay, here we are. This is the box addressed to Philippines. So we will see what is inside. I hope I will not destroy something. I know this is not the perfect way to open a box, but a very useful one. Ah, another box. Wonderful. Oh. So let me see if I can open it. Okay, so another packing inside. I can see already some cables. No, I don't know if I have to put it out or not. Okay, a little bit complicated to get this all out. But a lot of paper and a manual. Great, because usually, according to my information, we forget to send, or we're not always sending these beautiful manuals. I don't know this is for what, but I think for packaging. Here we can see this beautiful little machine, made in Germany. On one side, the cables all on top, and from the front side, we have the main interface. Now first I want to check what kind of cables we have. A little bit unorganized, but okay. So on one side we have this cable. I think it will be connected to the pipe. We will check later if it will work. Then we have the power supply. And here I can see already this is the typical power supply. I think it's called Schuko-Stecker in Europe, Schutzkontakt. I don't know if it will work in the Philippines, but they have to see if they need an adapter. But this is 230 volt connection with the ground. What else we have? Here I just found, oh, beautiful, what is this? Ah, it looks like a shaver, but I think this is a barcode scanner, and we will use this barcode scanner to get the welding information directly from the sticker of the pipe. I will try to make a welding of a sample pipe. I don't know if we have a barcode on the pipe, but I think there will be other possibilities. So what else I have in this little machine? Another box. No label on the box, but something is inside. Oh, okay, this is a lot. So I feel like a Christmas. So we put this all away, and I hope it will not break. That's all. Here we have very nice. We have a menu code of Krah AG. I think the company Krah AG don't exist since 5 years, so I will talk to the management that they will make proper new menu codes for a e-box. And here we see already like the barcode. With the barcode reader we can get the information, but we will see later this is what. Then we have one adapter, two adapters, three adapters. I have no idea at this moment these adapters are for what. And another manual. I'm so happy. No, this is not another manual. This is a final check report of E-Box 23 from Krah AG again. So I will talk to the management again that this company don't exist since I think 5 years. But at least we have a signature, quality checked. Oh. You can see they checked a lot of things, so I hope this machine will work. So until now I have no idea these adapters are for what. Maybe the manual will help me to find out for what these adapters are. I was reading now for 10 minutes and I have no idea what kind of adapters these are, because in the manual no word these adapters are for what. But good news, I called our good friend and well-known Jochen, and he told me this adapter, unfortunately no label, no number, nothing, is suitable for car pipes. This set and this set are adapters for standard fittings like electrofusion couplings or other kind of fittings from Friatec or any other suppliers. So we will not use these ones. And by the way, why they have two different for other fittings? Jochen told me that the difference is the diameter of the connection. So we have a little one, silver, and a little bit bigger ones are the black ones. So for car pipes you don't need this, but you can use the same beautiful machine for any other kind of electrofusion fittings. So we put them back inside and we talk to the management if they like to put some labels on this to make the life easier, and of course to add it in the menu. So this is the adapter for car pipes. I can see already, or more or less, two connections. I think these connections will be the one to connect. I have no idea if I put it left or right or upside down, if I do anything wrong, because I think it's a DC connection, both are red. So I guess the machine don't care if it's plus or minus. But this fits already beautiful. And this is for what? I can open, I can close. This is for fixing. No, now I know. This is the connection to the pipe. Because the car pipes, they end with two brass wires, and these wires should be connected here and then locked. And now I will switch on the electrofusion machine to see what is on display. So here we are. I just connected the little machine to our power supply, and now we will switch it on. We can hear a beautiful noise, a double noise, and the problem is I can't see it very well, so I will go a little bit back so I can read it. Beautiful! It will be dispatched to the Philippines and everything is in German. Now we can see Strichcode Eingabe, and power supply is 233 volt, and there is no contact to any fitting. So what we do to change it to English, because you know the problem will be at the Philippines, usually they speak no German. So the good news, we will use our manual and we see how it works. Okay, I found something. I'm reading in German. Inbetriebnahme und Bedienung. This is how to switch on the machine, how to connect a fitting, how to read fitting codes, how to weld directly, but unfortunately I cannot find on the first pages how I change the language. Okay, so let me call Jochen to get some information what I should do. Hi Jochen, I have a question. Okay, thank you Jochen. So first I have to use the barcode reader and this little card and then I can change the language. Okay, I will do. If I have any problems, I will call you. Bye. For now. Okay, Jochen told me I need this little card now to make any changes in the menu. And I can see already Strichcode Eingabe means entering a barcode. Here we go. I have this beautiful card again. I thought I don't need, but now I'm so happy. And I have this menu code. Oops. And I'll try what will happen with this. I try my best, but maybe a little bit more far away, a little bit closer. The distance was like 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters. It's not like the supermarket when you can do it 1 meter away. Okay, now it was beeping so happily, but on the screen it's the same. So I will do it again. It says Eingabefehler. Okay, what the hell is an Eingabefehler? Again, Eingabefehler. So maybe I have to call Jochen again because I wasn't so successful with this beautiful card labeled all wrong with the beautiful barcode reader to read. One more try. Eingabefehler. I call Jochen and I will be back in a second. Okay, I just got the information of Jochen that I'm a little bit stupid and it would be very clear when I'm here. First what I do, I press menu. Now the screen shows menu code eingeben and unbelievable, this is the card of the menu code. So I pressed and it worked. So I have Einstellungen, Protokollierungen, both German. Einstellungen would be the one to change the settings. So I press menu again and now I go down with the arrows until I reach Sprache, is language. Now I press menu again. Now I have Deutsch, English, French, Russian, I have no idea, Turkish, Italian, Norwegian, I have no idea, Czech, Slovakia. A lot of the, wow. We can even change to Japanese, but I will not do now, I will do it later. So first we will send for our friends in the Philippines, we change to English. And I think this should be the standard setting, so I have to talk to the management again. Because, yes, now start. And voila, this was French. Now we have everything in English. So how I leave the menu, I guess I do it with start, stop button. Or I can see what we else can change. You can change date and time. Buzzer volume, I think buzzer volume would be very nice to reduce it because this beep is too loud for my little office. But maybe very suitable for the construction site. But let me see, date and time. Date and time, yeah, seems very correct. So I will go, I have no idea. I will set, apply changes. I say, okay, set. And now we make stop. Stop, and now we are at the beginning and everything is set up in English by using this menu code. by not using the manual because I couldn't find it. So let me see what else we have with the machine. We have the settings, we have a digital keyboard, we have start and stop in two different colors. We have the label of the type of the machine, once here, the logo of the manufacturer, Krah, and the arrows with the menu. Here we have, this is a USB stick, but I think we have no USB stick in the box. So maybe we will find out later if we need it or if we don't need it. At the moment I have no idea, and I will close it again. At least this is waterproof. On top I can see some other nice buttons, or maybe no nice button. This looks like a button, but it's not. It's called GPS. So I have no idea why we need GPS for welding, but maybe we get some more information with the manual. And on this side I can see another, look like a button, but it's not a button, Bluetooth. So it seems this machine has also a Bluetooth integration. At the moment I have no idea why I should use Bluetooth if I just want to weld two pipes. But we will see. Okay, I just checked in the manual. There should be mentioned somewhere how to set up the equipment. It should be on the first page, but I found it in German on page 16 out of 22 pages. So I will talk to the management that they change the configuration, at least of the language, to the first pages in the manual. So now I think it's the right time to stop the first part of the video. This was the unboxing, and I will go to our yard outside to find the pipe. And in the second video I will show how, okay, 1 second. In the second video I will show how we weld with this equipment. I don't know if we have all welding tools available here. If not, like the chain and whatever, we will make a third, a fourth, a fifth, a sixth, a seventh new videos. So I hope I see you again in the next video, the second part of unboxing E-Box 23 Plus. I hope you enjoyed and follow the channel and you will be happy. Thank you.